Hi guys, welcome back. Today we are looking into riddle type MSQ questions based on the NATA Attempt 1 exam paper of 2021, which will help you out for your attempt 2. So the drill remains the same. There will be one question with 4 options and more than one options will be the right answer. Start with the first question, that is, tile X was used to create a seamless pattern when arranged as shown below. Which tiles from the option will create a seamless pattern? That is pattern without gaps. So looking at the image down, X is one tile and there is a pattern created with the same tile with one horizontal tile and three vertical tiles right at the side. So looking at the options below, we need to find which options fit in to create a seamless pattern. With careful observation, the right answer is option A and option C because they fit in the gaps like the puzzle. Moving on, which of the following statements related to musicians are true? A. Ustad Allah Raka and Ustad Zakir Hussain are known for playing the tabla. B. Pandit Nikhil Banerjee and Ustad Vilayat Khan are known for playing the sitar. C. Ustad Ali Akbar Khan, Ustad Amjad Ali Khan and Dr. L. Subramaniam are known for playing the violin. D. Pandit Ravi Shankar and Pandit Hariprasad Chaurasia are known for playing the Shehnai. So the right answer is option A and option B because Ustad Ali Akbar Khan and Ustad Amjad Ali Khan are not violinists, and in the option D, Pandit Ravi Shankar and Pandit Hariprasad Chaurasia are not known for playing Shehnai. Moving on, which of the options on the right can be formed by folding the profile shown on the left? So looking at the image on the left, we need to find out one or more options which are right after folding. And here is a solution. Let's start with numbering the planes because you might get confused with the colors. Looking at option A, the box should have been color blue. Option B is in the correct series and hence option B is the right answer. Also looking at option C and D, align the sides in proper number as shown in the below set of images. Hence the answer is B, C, D. Moving on, in a 3D structure made of cubes of equal size, an L-shaped hole is made by removing a few cubes as shown on the left. Which of the 3D structure in the options on the right would successfully pass through the L-shaped hole given that they are also made of cubes of same size? So in the below set of images, the arrow shows the direction in which the L-shaped hole would fit in, and hence the right answer is option A and option C. Also, in this case, there could be extra cubes on the similar surfaces which can yet pass through the L-shaped hole. Moving on, the figure given below shows 6 bar chart corresponding to the volume of agricultural produce from farms of various farmers. The actual quantities are also given in the figure. Red bars indicate tomatoes, green bar indicates leafy vegetables, and blue bar indicates berries. Assume that they have seen each other's bar chart. Who can correctly make at least one of the following statements? So the statements are: 1. Everyone who produce any one item more than what I produce, she should produce every other item more. This is slightly confusing, but if you go through the sentence once more, you'll surely get it. And here she refers to each one of them. So in this case, Neela is right because she has one item more produced, that is leafy vegetable, which is 70%, and also the tomatoes and the berries are more than all of them. So the right answer is Neela. Moving on, the figure shows 4 road networks. Which of these 4 road networks can be traversed by a traveler such that the following challenge can be satisfied? The traveler must cover all the roads in the network. She is allowed to visit a city more than once, but she is not allowed to travel on any road more than once. Also, the travel must come back to the city where she starts. So looking at the options below, so option B and D are the options where we satisfy the challenge. So in this image, the movement is shown with the series of numbers you can look into. Moving on, next question is: the grid of squares shown in the figure is to be tiled, covered with tiles. With the tiles shown in the option, the covering tiles must not overlap and should not have gaps around them. Only 4 squares in the middle are not allowed to be tiled, as you can see in the figure. Once a tile is chosen, other tile must be of the type only. Tiles can be flipped and rotated if required. Which of the tiles can be used to tile the given grid? So this question is very similar to the game we played in the childhood, that you need to fill the cubes without the gaps. So looking at the image below, you need to choose one of the options and tile it without the gaps. You can rotate it and flip it as well. So which option can do it without the gaps is your question. So here is the solution, but the right answer is C and option D. Moving on, Suresh, Biju and Tina bring one gift each. When they meet, they swap their gifts in such a way that no one gets back what they had bought with them. The gifts are a book, a pen and a ball. Suresh says, I gave my gift to the one who gave away the ball. Biju says, I received my gift from one who gave gift to the one who gave away the ball. Tina says, I got what I always wanted. Biju says, but Tina, you had to give away your pen. So these are the statements. Are these statements true is your challenge. So looking at the options, option A, C and D are the right answer, because in option B, it says that Tina gets the book, while the statement Biju says, but Tina, you had to give away your pen. So these are two contradictory statements. That is why the option B is wrong. Moving on, the following patterns are made on a wall by using ceramic tiles. Which of the given pattern are made of a single type of tile? So looking at the options, you need to find out the minute details which are wrong in these tiles. So as you can see in option B and D, there are some differences with the line length. Hence the right answer is option A and option C. Next, which of the following statements about the areas of Indian state are true? A. Arunachal Pradesh is larger than Kerala. B. Punjab is larger than Assam. C. Chhattisgarh is larger than Jharkhand. D. West Bengal is larger than Uttarakhand. So here's the map. So you can look into the areas of the states and choose your right answer. You will not have the map in your question. This is just for your reference. So the right options are option A, C and D, because in option B there is Punjab is larger than Assam, which is false. Moving on, image P shows a portion of a larger photograph. Some operations have been done on that photograph using an image manipulation software. Image Q shows a portion of the resulting photograph. Identify the options that specify specific to correct operations. And these are the options. Option A is rotate clockwise by 90 degrees, flip horizontally, then rotate clockwise by 90 degrees. Option B, rotate clockwise by 180 degrees, then flip horizontally. Rotate clockwise by 180 degrees, then flip vertically. Option D is rotate clockwise by 90 degrees, flip vertically, then rotate clockwise by 90 degrees. So the rotations and the flip is very confusing for you to imagine. So here's a trick. You will have rough papers in your exam. Like you can see in the video, you can mark a specific point and then flip and rotate like they have told in the options. With this, you will get the correct option, and hence the right answer is option D and option D. Moving on, which of the following birds are native to found in India? So here are the images and the options for you. So looking at the image, it might be pretty clear that option C is not the right answer, because this bird called toucan is largely found in the central and the eastern South America, and all the others are seen in India. Hence the right answer is option A, B and D. Moving on, the word given below uses a particular font. Which option belongs to the same font? So you need to look at the minute details, the curves, the length of the alphabetical font to get it into a numerical font. And here are some details marked for you. As you can see in option A and option C, the curve and the turn is slightly different to the turn of the letter F. So the right answer is option B and option D. In this case, your observation skills are going to be judged. Moving ahead, a set of two frames with square openings when perfectly overlapped with each other allow light through it in certain patterns. Shown below are four sets of such frames. These frames are either hinged A and B or pivoted C and D to each other. Assuming that the red frames are fixed and the blue frames are allowed to move, which options will allow light to pass through as in the pattern shown on the left? So in this case, I hope you must be knowing what is hinged and pivoted. Okay, to facilitate easy understanding, I've made the below images. Since red frame is stationary and blue frame is rotated or turned, I've marked the empty squares on the blue side in red color. So once turned, as you can see, number 1, 3 and 6 make the right pattern which is given, and in option B there is a difference of the pattern. So here the right answer is option A. So like you can see in the image, yellow colored number on the top of the red frame indicates that it will not be visible, while green colored number square means it will be visible because the open squares on both the frames will match with them. Now look on the position of the green numbers and match with the pattern shown in the left of the question. Also note the small yellow dot circle in the below image for C and D that indicates the position where both the circle coincides after the rotation operation. So in this case, the option C is the right answer. Next, refer to the tools below and read the statements. Based on what can you see? Which of the following options are correct? Option A is all tools have at least one common working principle. B, all of them can be used for cutting fabric. C, only one have spring back element, at least one has provision to crack nuts. D, three of them have a provision to crack nuts. So looking at the image above, the options A and C are right because all the tools are meant for cutting something or the other, but they are not for fabric. Only A has spring back action and B can crack nuts. So the right answers are A and C. Moving on to the next question. Multiple pages of a book are often printed on a single sheet. The sheet is later folded and cut appropriately to get the pages in a correct sequence and orientation. Mistakes happened while printing this particular 16-page booklet. The sheet was printed with pages numbered and oriented as shown on the left. The sheet was folded and cut in the sequence as shown on the right. Given this, which of the options are true about the final booklet? So looking at the image at the right, we need to fold the page accordingly, starting with the first fold, then the second and third, and then you need to cut it as shown in the figure. So these rotations are really difficult for you to imagine. So in your examination center, you will be provided with papers and you can write the numbers and fold it accordingly and cut it roughly and can decide with the options. So after you do this, you come to a conclusion of the right answer is option A and option B. Next question is, in the figure below, a person is putting small packets of potatoes in one of the bins, A, B or C. The packets are placed on the table and the bins A, B, C are placed on tables which are lower in height as compared to the table on which the packets rest. Which of the following statements are true? Options are A, lifting the bag from the table and placing it in the bin will be less effortful compared to lifting and placing it in the bin C. So obviously this is not the right one. Moving on, lifting the bag from the table and placing it in the bin A will be more effortful compared to sliding it in bin C. So this is true. Moving on, lifting the bag from the table and placing it in bin B will be less effortful than sliding it in bin C. So this is also again a false statement. Moving on, sliding the bag from the table to bin C will be less effortful than lifting it and placing it in the bin. So this they have tricked us, that is sliding and putting it, lifting it. So the right answers are option B and option D. And here we come to the last question, that is, in a town there are four kinds of persons: mirabs, fillets, distincts and scripts. People of any given kind play exactly two musical instruments. An instrument is played exactly by people of two kinds. Some mirabs play tabla, some fillets play sitar, some kind that play harmonium does not play sarod. The kind that plays tabla does not play sitar. Mirabs and distincts do not play the same instrument. Fillets and scripts do not play the same instrument. Distincts do not play harmonium. So in this case, you can use the rough page and pencils and mark these names at one end and what they play and do not play. So with that, you can come to a conclusion of option A, B, C. All the given options are right. So here we come to the end of the video. I hope this was helpful. All the best for your exams. Let me know in the comment section if this was helpful. But for now, see you. Bye.